So guys, before we dive into the assembly of our frame, let's see what are the components I have used. Let's get started with the frame. I'm using a Get RC. It is a clone Mark 4 5" from the Ready to Sky. Then I'm guys going with an receiver of FSI 6B Fly Sky receiver. You can go with TBS Crossfire Express RRS, but as we have a tight budget and we do not want to break our banks, so I thought to go with this, and it has a good range of 1.5 kilometers just for practicing and for your feast time. I'm going with guys analog transmitters PDB TX 800. In considering our budget of 3000 for the trans VTX, this was the best I could find. Did a guys lots of research in finding all this, so do hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like also. Then guys, we can go towards the PDB. This is our the brain and the heart of the what to see quadcopter or FPV 5". This is our flight controller, guys. This is the stack. This is the stack product. It is a 50 amp ESC. You can look towards another flight controller also, but this was the best flight controller which I could find, and it has lots more feature than any other flight controller, as it has Bluetooth, battery level indicator inbuilt also. Then we can go towards the zinc. These are our motors, guys. It is from iFlight. I'm using a 2207, yeah, 2207 and 1855 kV. The battery, I would be getting started with 4S battery. You can go towards the 6S also. This is our transmitter compared with paired with our FSI 6B. And guys, this is our the camera from which we would be getting our first person view, FPV, as we said. It is a knockoff of Runcam, but it has a lot good picture quality than any other knockoff you can find in India. And it is, I think so, it is 1200 TVL something. Oh, come on. Why did I choose this? Because it has a good image quality also, and as you can see, you get a OSD also. So guys, these are all the components which you would be needing to get started into the FPV and make your first budget friendly 5". You can go with your preferences also, as my motive was to keep it budget friendly and everyone can afford this FPV drone in starting, and then you can improve it as per your way. So let's get building, guys. So guys, let's get started with our backbone of the drone, our frame, the Get RC clone Get RC Mark 5 Mark 4 5". Guys, I first only opened it as I needed to 3D print all this mount. You would be coming to know why these are essential in coming videos, in further video also. This is the bumper, and you can find all these files links in the description. And what are the pieces do we get? I just open it. I will just place all the arms. That would be second for you, and it would be 10 minutes for me to arrange all this. So guys, these are all the parts which you will be getting in the box, without considering this TPU mount. These are all 3D printed. So now let's start building our backbone, the frame of it. I will just put time lapse on it, and it would be seconds for you, but it would be hours for me. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's go, guys. Guys, half of the frame has been completely built. I've just attached some screws down there. This is the protection for the wires coming from the motor. Just attached our camera, as you can see, looking very futuristic, cutting edge technology, minimalistic. Guys, before we proceed further in building our quadcopter 5-inch one, I just thought ki let's show you the unboxing of this iFlight Zinc 2 2207 motors. So premium packaging and premium unboxing, like motors of 6,000 and 7,000, which this is the budget friendly motor which I've got under 2,000, and the efficiency is not that so good, but you can get the quality and the what durability of this is lot better than any other motor. You can compare iFlash motor also 2207. So this is the nut packet and our clockwise propeller tightening nut foam, and this is guys our Zinc 222O motor. Wow, what quality! I know I've removed this three, but then also you can see all the guys binding, also the copper wire binding, how smooth, means how perfectly they are. And it is a unibelt type. Yeah, that's all only. Wow, nice motor. I've and did guys lots of research in finding this motor, and finally these are the best motor which I could find. You can go with your preferences also which you want, but these are the most budget friendly and most durable motor under this price range. And this will go like this guys, and now just fix the screw. I will do it for all the four motors. So guys, before we assemble our flight controller inside our 5-inch drone frame, let's do a quick unboxing that what you will get and what are the accessories provided. After that we will do all the stuff, the wiring and everything, very tedious job. Not lot of a tedious job, but if you're doing soldering first time, then you should practice soldering on a board or something. So let's do a quick unboxing what we will get. I've opened it to check whether the flight controller was in good shape or not. So you will just get a manual documentation, and this is the main two pieces. See guys, I have soldered all my wires. These are the perfect ones, and but see that as I cutted my wires too short, so there are the consequences. I need to just twist and turn and then solder, and these are the too long, but it's okay, you can keep it. These two ones are the proper wires you need to cut as this.